What's up guys? Last week we published a video about Xiaomi Smart Band 9. You know I use the new Smart Band every day and learning more and more about it. I talk about the new features of the Xiaomi Smart Band 9 in the shorts on our channel Tech Brothers. In this video we are going to talk about the new Xiaomi earbuds called Redmi Buds 6S. They were released along with a fitness bracelet, but for some reason they didn't get much attention. I think this is the first hands-on review of the Redmi Buds 6S on YouTube. First of all, these are budget earbuds, because you can buy them for under $30 in China. By the way, I have the Chinese version, because there is no global yet. However, I don't see much difference between the Chinese and global versions of the Xiaomi earbuds. The main features of the Redmi Buds 6S are 14.2mm dynamic driver, active noise cancellation support, spatial sound support, SoundID customizable sound effects, a dual microphone with anti-wind noise reduction, and up to 33 hours of battery life. You know, I also have the Redmi Buds 6 Active. Later we will make a video about these earbuds and compare them with the Redmi Buds 6S. By the way, the Redmi Buds 6 has not been released yet, but we will prepare a video about them when they are available. Finally, let's start the review of the Redmi Buds 6S. You know we have the new Xiaomi earbuds in white color, so they are white on the box too. If you buy them in black, there will be black earbuds on the box. The back of the box is all Chinese, because I bought the earbuds in China, and this is a Chinese version. Inside the box you will find the earbuds in their packaging, a user manual, and a USB Type-C cable. You know the previous Redmi Earbuds series had only two models, such as Redmi Buds 5 and Redmi Buds 5 Pro. We made video about them on our Tech Brothers channel. When it comes to the new 2024 series, we already have two models, Redmi Buds 6 Active and Redmi Buds 6S. I am sure Redmi Buds 6 and Redmi Buds 6 Pro will be released before the end of this year. So the new Redmi Buds 6S are the next generation of the Redmi Buds 5, because they have a similar design. To be honest, they even look identical to me. Unfortunately, I don't have a Redmi Buds 5 right now to compare them side by side. However, they have similar charging cases. There is a Redmi logo on the lid, LED indicator, and USB Type-C charging port on the front, and button on the right side. The case looks very simple and probably even cheap. But the matte plastic is actually pleasant to touch. Opening the lid, we can see two earbuds and a large LED indicator. By the way, the inside of the charging case is not white, like the outside, but beige. It is also glossy. The earbuds are white, with a silver stripe on the outside. Touch control panel is located here. As you can see, the Redmi Buds 6S have semi-in-ear design, because they don't have silicone ear tips. Back to the previous Redmi Buds 5, they had silicone ear tips. Moreover, this is the first time I have seen the earbuds without silicone ear tips, but with active noise cancellation. To be honest, I thought it was impossible. I'm very interested in checking out ANC. So the earbuds, like the charging case, look very simple, but they have many advanced technologies inside. We will talk about them a little bit later. By the way, the weight of a single earbud is 4 grams, while the charging case with earbuds inside are 38 grams. You should also know that the Redmi Buds 6S are IP54 waterproof. This means they are protected from sweat, but not from direct water, such as rain or showers. The feature of the most Redmi earbuds is support for the mobile app. The new Redmi Buds 6S is no exception. Let's take a look at it. The companion app for the new Xiaomi earbuds has the same name, Xiaomi Earbuds. You can install the app on Android and iOS device. First, you need to open the Bluetooth menu on your phone and then select Redmi Buds 6S. Now go back to the app, and the earbuds will be automatically connected. I have connected the earphones to both iPhone and Android, and the functions are the same. We can see the battery level of the left and right earbuds, as well as the charging case. Then you can turn on the noise cancellation, but the app says you have to put in earphones, even if you just take them out of the case. The app still says to put them in your ears. There are two noise cancellation levels available, such as balanced and deep. Wow, I'm really surprised. The noise cancellation really works. We will talk about it a little bit later. Then we can customize the gestures or control functions. You can switch between the previous or next song, volume up and down, play and pause. The noise reduction is activated by long pressing the left or right earbud. In the audio effects menu, you can turn on adaptive sound and select the audio balance, standard, enhanced treble, bass or voice. The additional settings include in-ear detection, dual connection, take calls automatically and rename earphones. You can also find your earphones through the app. And update their firmware. You know, I don't see a game or a low latency mode in the app. I tried pressing both earbuds at the same time, but that's only turned noise cancellation on and off, not game mode. Anyway, let's check out the latency in games. As usual, let's play PUBG Mobile, but I think the latency is the same in all games. As you can see, the latency is quite high. The earbuds really lack a game mode. Another feature of the Redmi Buds 6S is a dual microphone, as well as call noise reduction and wind resistance. Let's check the microphone quality.
What's up guys, I'm testing the new Xiaomi Redmi Buds 6S right now. I am in a studio right now, and it is very quiet. I think it is a perfect condition for phone calls, and the microphone quality should be excellent. Now I have turned on a video with street noise on my phone. This is the most similar conditions to noisy public places as possible. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. How do you hear me?
When it comes to the sound quality, the earbuds are equipped with 14.2mm dynamic drivers. They also support ANC and SBC audio codecs. By the way, the Redmi Buds 6S uses Bluetooth 5.3 technology for connection with mobile devices. The maximum communication range is about 10 meters. One of the main features of the new Redmi earbuds is the adaptive sound. When you turn it on in the app, the earbuds automatically adjust sound based on your ear shape and environment. I have this function always on, because the sound is really better. When it comes to the sound balance or equalizer settings, I choose the enhanced treble for myself. However, it depends on the music you listen to. You may be better off with enhanced bass, enhanced voice, or even standard. The most important thing is that the equalizer settings really work and the sound changes. By the way, I saw an ear detection feature in the app. Let's check it out. Yes, when you take one or both earphones out of your ears, the music stops, and when you put them back in, it continues to play. And this is a useful feature. Let's talk a little bit more about active noise cancelling. To be honest, I didn't feel much difference between balanced and deep modes. However, ANC really works and does a great job of removing ambient noise. By the way, most earbuds with ANC also have transparent mode, while the Redmi Buds 6S does not have it. However, I don't think it is needed here, because you can just turn off the ANC and hear the noise around you, because the earbuds have a semi-in-ear design. You know, for some reason, the new Redmi Buds 6S have a smaller battery than the previous Redmi Buds 5, 100 mAh versus 150 mAh. However, the charging case is the same, 500 mAh. This had an impact on battery life. The new earbuds last up to 7 hours on a single charge and up to 33 hours with the charging case. Nevertheless, it is still a good battery life for budget compact wireless earbuds. So the biggest surprise for me in the new Redmi Buds 6S was a combination of a semi-in-ear design and support for active noise cancellation. To be honest, it is the first time I have ever seen that. Typically, ANC earbuds have silicon ear tips. However, the Redmi Buds 6S without silicon ear tips have a good noise cancellation. The sound quality is very good for the earbuds under $30. Although the battery life has become shorter compared to the previous model, I think it is still decent. Perhaps the main complaint about the new Redmi earbuds from me would be the latency in games. Unfortunately, it is quite high. It would be much better if they had a game mode. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon!